Before 2026 begins, you need to hear this. Your life won't change just because a new year starts. It will change because you start thinking differently. These mindset shifts will shape your entire 2026. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Perfect timing doesn't exist. If you keep waiting for the right time, you will wait forever. Start small, start messy, start now. Don't chase people, chase goals. Stop running behind people who don't care. Your energy is precious. Invest it in your goals, not in temporary attention. When you level up, the right people will come. Learn the power of saying no. Saying no is not rude, it's self respect. Protect your peace, your time, and your boundaries. 2026 becomes peaceful when you stop pleasing everyone. Be consistent, even without motivation. Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. You won't feel inspired every day. Show up anyway. Tiny consistent habits will change your 2026. Don't compare your journey. Comparison steals joy. Scrolling makes everyone feel behind. Your only competition is the version of you from yesterday. Grow at your own pace. Be comfortable being alone. Solitude is growth, it's healing, it's clarity. Some of your best transformations in 2026 will happen when you learn to enjoy your own company. Focus on what you can control. Stop wasting energy on things you can't change. Shift your focus on your habits, reactions, and mindset. That's where your real power is. Choose peace over chaos. Protect your mental health first. Walk away from drama, negativity, and anything that drains your energy. Peace is priceless. Choose it in 2026. Believe you deserve better. You deserve good things. You deserve love, stability, success, and growth. The moment you believe you deserve better, your life will start giving you better. 2026 won't change you automatically. You will change yourself through better habits, stronger boundaries, and a powerful mindset. Walk into 2026 with confidence. Your life will shift the moment you do.